Welcome everybody to the Rhino show. Today we're going to do an unboxing from one of our very close friends. So let's get started. So we've got M2C Racing. Alright, let me fix the camera here. We know it's the Rhino show now, so there we go. Alright, so let's get started. First up, we have some killer M2C Racing stickers. These are going to look good on the outside of the drag car for sure. If you ain't braking, you ain't bashing. Got a big M2C Racing sticker. I think it's the same. Yeah, same size as the one that's on the big sheet there. So for future reference, if you want one of these, it comes right there on the big sheet. So just get the big sheet and you got it, and then all the others. So alright, let's see what we want to start out with. No, we don't want to start out with that. How about this one? This one's where it's at. So we've got the M2C motor mount, ultimate motor mount. And this is the foundation kit. So this is the side that goes to the motor. So you mount your motor here and you slide it in there. Comes with a little motor prop. You know, you guys know I make my own, but I might be able to use that. So then you also need this. This is the M2C Speed Cake Kit, Limitless Speed Cake Kit. This also obviously works for Felony or any of the others. The reason I got the Limitless kit is because it came with this top plate. The other kits come with the side parts that, like on a Creighton, you can put the support bars in there. But I didn't want any of that, so it's just a plain square. Because I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna need any bracing because it comes with that chassis from Beast Mode. So, but the deal with this is you get this. This actually goes on top of the motor mount to secure it in place. It's pretty wicked. So we'll get to see more of that when we start putting this together. This will probably be the first thing I put together. So we'll keep that in mind. Alright, motor mount's good to go. Next up the bat, I got a set of normal hinge pins, front uppers, because the VITAVON are not screwed in. But if I switch over to Perfect Pass, I can use my titanium screw-in one. So we'll see what I do there. I'm not sure. I got the little adapters. These go on the front knuckles so you can steer. I didn't have a set, so M2C was kind enough to get me one of these. Next up, oh, this is a cool one. I don't know where they get these gaskets from, but these gaskets have all 4 holes, which is much nicer than dealing with the ones that Arma makes with the 2 holes. Really doesn't make any sense. I don't know why they just have 2 holes in the gasket, but these are 4-hole, and it's something you definitely need, especially if you're running metal diffs with grease. You're gonna want it. All right, let's see what else we got here. So here we have the M2C Ackerman, steering Ackerman. Says M2C Racing on it. If I can get it in focus. Come on, man. There we go. So we got that. I'm still running the VITAVON steering, but I'm probably going to take out that Ackerman and use this one. This one's twice as thick in the middle, which is kind of cool. Sturdy. Alright, this is like Christmas. I've got this is the center brace, front center brace. There's the rear center brace. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use these or not, but it does come with a drill bit, so I can drill out my own holes, and I'm not sure if the drive shafts I'm using are going to fit with these, because this looks like it's made for an 8mm drive shaft, and the ones I use, the carbon fiber ones, are like 10, I think. So I might have to make adjustments there. As you guys know, I have no problem making adjustments. So, all right, here's some big boys. Here we've got the M2C. It says felony, but this is the GP5 upgrade kit. So you get the GP5. This is 4215. So it's like 3 more hits on there. These are straight gears. And it comes with, I think these are 5mm. These are the exact same. So these are 10mm. So, man, these might be 15mm. No, they're the same. They're 10mm. So we've got these, and these will not work with the truck body, but the Corvette body, and then also the the bubble body, which I have. These will work great. The main thing is getting the gearing correct. So we got 2 of those. Let me make sure there's nothing left. Yep. Alright, so we got 2 of these. GP5 gears. That's front and rear diffs. We have the perfect mesh. Oh, come on. There we go. Nope. The mini adjuster. Very cool. And then more. These right here are going to go on the current blue Corvette in the rear. So we're going to update the rear on the blue Corvette too to some M2C Racing hubs. So, last but not least is their top plate. This is the M2C Racing. see in the back. I'll let you read it, or maybe. But this is the steering top plate for 6S vehicles. I have this on one of my other Infractions. I think it's the Stock Boy, the dual motor, stock motors. I think I have this on that. So this is going to be on the drag car. So we got top plate, we've got diff gears, we have wheel spacers, wheel hubs, we have the motor mounts, right front part of the motor mount, rear part of the motor mount, covers, and then we have the adjuster right there. We have the two braces that we'll have to make sure we get to fit. We've got the steering Ackerman. We have the gaskets. We have the steering, carbon fiber steering adapters, I guess they are. And then we also have the stock Arma hinge pins, front upper. And again, these are going to be used if I use the VITAVON hinge pin mounts. And last but not least, of course, the badass purple and yellow, little bit of orange stickers. They're pretty badass. So what a shipment from M2C Racing. Lord. Everything you can need. I mean, the motor mount is going to be huge. The wheel extenders are huge. The top plate is the best one you can get anywhere. And then the Ackerman I haven't used yet, but it is super durable, so we'll see how that goes. These, I just couldn't, you can find them randomly every once in a while, but M2C Racing has them, so you can just pick them up there. And the braces, I mean, look at these braces. I mean, that's thick. .30-47. Comes with the drill bit to drill through your chassis right here. And then this one comes with a screw and a nut, which is what you want coming up from the bottom, so you have that added security. And then if this breaks, you can just pull it out and put in a new one. And then right there it says M2C Racing. Hope you can see that. Alright guys, so that's the shipment. I'm excited. I can now start putting some stuff on the chassis. So the motor mount, we're going to get that set up. We're going to get that set up on here. And then I need to take some measurements, make sure I get the right drive shafts. Since he's got, I think it should be fine, but we'll see. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. Today we'll do a little installation of some mega M2C beefcake motor mounts. And then that means we can mount the motor, we can find out where we're going to put the ESC. Then I can start on the diffs. Now that I got all this, I can put the diffs together. I can really get busy on it now. The only thing I need is going to be a perfect pass order. I'm going to get the drive shafts, servo, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up their set of hinge pin mounts. Just because of the front one looks like it's going to be much better than any of the others. Oh, excuse me. So that's what we're going to do. Super excited. I'm super excited to have M2C Racing on board. This is the first time we've worked together, and I'm looking forward to working more with them in the future. So we're going to have videos, installation videos of all these parts, and I'm going to try and live stream on TikTok too. So keep an eye out for that. If you're on TikTok, please look up Piss Rhino. I'm there. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of those, I'm under Piss Rhino. Just search for Piss Rhino with a space, Piss Rhino without a space, and you'll find me. All right, that's all for today, guys. My next video is going to be installation, so looking forward to that. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on the Piss Rhino Show. Thanks, everybody.